Hi everyone and welcome to Modern Literature. This video is designed to help you gain an understanding of the course and what to expect this semester, as well as learn how to best navigate our course in Canvas. This video will give you the nitty-gritty of course structure and content, but more detailed information about these things can be found in the course syllabus, and I'll show you how to find that in a few minutes. Over the course of the semester, you'll read 3 teacher-selected novels and 1 self-selected novel, which will serve as the anchors for each unit. You will also encounter supplemental readings and media to enhance your experience with each anchor text. In the order that we'll read them, the course texts are The Family Fang by Kevin Wilson, A Good and Happy Child by Justin Evans, and Station 11 by Emily St. John Mandel. The last unit will be the choice book. The first thing most students need to get used to in Modern Lit is the pace of the class. Unless you've taken World Lit, this fast-paced style could be new to you. Modern Lit readers encounter an average of 30 pages per night, and typically it takes about 2 school weeks to read each book. During that time, you will also be working on a mini project. The week after reading the book, you will participate in Socratic Seminar and take a unit test. This predictable structure allows students to focus on reading the books themselves and on important assessments like the mini projects, Socratic seminars, and unit tests. The English department operates on a weighted grade system. In Modern Lit, this will be divided into formative assessments worth 40% and summative assessments worth 60%. Formative assessments include mini projects and weekly discussions in Canvas. Summative assessments include Socratic seminars and unit tests. The final exam package is worth 15% and includes a synthesis project, lit terms final test, and final reflection. All materials and activities for the semester, except for the books themselves, will be located in Canvas, so let's take a look at how you're going to use Canvas for this class. When you open our Canvas course, you will always see the modules for the course. Modules will be unlocked as we need them, and once they're unlocked, they will remain accessible to you for the remainder of the semester. Currently, you're only able to access the General Information module, and the module for our first book, The Family Fang by Kevin Wilson, should have unlocked this morning, January 22nd at 7:30. You have a few navigation options on the left of your screen. You have Home, Syllabus, Discussions, and Grades. And I will unlock other navigation options to you as needed. When you click Home, you will always be taken back to this screen with our modules. You can access our course syllabus at any time by clicking Syllabus. Basic course information is included in this video, but I recommend reading the course syllabus for a more comprehensive look at the course. This is a good reminder, if you have not authorized Google in your Canvas, in your personal Canvas account, you will need to do that so that you can see everything you need to see. The reason it's not showing up right now is because we're in Student View. The Discussions tab houses all of your weekly discussions and any other discussions that are a part of the course. Any discussion that you need to complete during the week will be pinned here at the top of the page. At the end of each week, you'll be asked to reflect on that week's content and activities and engage in digital conversation with your classmates. These discussions can be found here as well, down here. An important thing to note about discussions for this class is that when the due date and time pass, the discussions will no longer be available to you to submit posts for credit. So it's really important that you get into the habit of posting and responding to your classmates weekly. Your last navigation tab is Grades. And you're going to be able to see your grades on individual items completed in Canvas like seminar prep documents and unit tests, discussions, etc. But your most accurate total grade should always be found in Skyward. So I'm going to exit Student View now so that you can see everything I need to show you. And let's head back to our home page and take a look at the General Information module. Under Resources, you're going to see the course orientation video, which you're currently watching. That's here. Remember, I also recommend reading the course syllabus, which can be found over here in the nav. Next, you're going to see the resources that you'll need throughout the semester. So the daily slides here contain everything that you see on the screen during class. The daily agenda and homework document is a rolling agenda, which means that the most current date will always be toward the top of the page so that you don't have to scroll forever to see what you need to see. And if you are absent, this is where I want you to come first to see what you missed and what you need to do for homework. I update this every single day, so this is probably your first line of defense. And if you still can't figure it out, ask a friend. And of course, if you still have questions, just come talk to me. I also use the Canvas calendar for more of an at-a-glance view of our schedule, so that you can come here and just kind of get a quick glance view of everything that we have going on in class. This will be particularly useful to you if you want a quick view of like pages that you need to read or when assessments are happening, just kind of what you need to know about the month or the week that you're looking at. Next in the module, you'll see the extra credit opportunity that you have in the class, and we'll talk about this during class, but you're welcome to take a look if you like before then. Lastly, you're going to see all the items that you need for the literary and critical terms. As outlined in the syllabus, you will need to learn 100 lit terms for this class, and you do have immediate access to the list of terms and their definitions, as well as a comprehensive study Quizlet. This is done. All the terms and definitions are in here. All you need to do is use it. So hopefully you will use that throughout the semester and be good to go when it comes for test time. So virtually all of the work you'll do in this course will happen in Canvas. This will include discussions, mini projects, Socratic seminar prep, and tests. So it's really important that you become comfortable using this tool. If at any point during this semester you have questions, of course, feel free to send me an email or come see me. So I hope this has given you some insight into modern literature, and I look forward to learning with you this semester.